So you can't believe what I found. I found a bunch of Care Bears, but I don't really bought a lot of it. So let's go open it. So let's go see what will the, I don't know this bear's name, but pick for us. Let's go see. So the bear picked this. Oh. Hello! Look at that! It's the Care Bear earphone. I can't wait to use this. Go open it, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah, of course, and the charger. And the way to use it. This is so cute. Let's go open it. Play Nation. Okay, let's go open it. Wait, sorry. This one, the scene. Okay. Ta-da! Look at that. That's super cute. Okay, let's go open it. Ooh, look at that. Why is it blue though? Okay, then let me just use it. Wait, this one is. So it has some lighting in it. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait, wrong one. That, guys. Yay. Okay, I'm just doing that really slowly because I really don't want it to stop. Okay, I'm so sorry. Why does this keep... Wait, no, I'm spoiling my own things. Okay. So now let's go pick which one will the bear pick. Okay. She picks the biggest thing, which is a towel. Like, this is actually pretty cute. Let's go open it. So cute. Let me show so you guys could see a better view. But it's not that big. I think it's for like hair. It's so cute. Let's go pick which one will the bear pick up for us. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go pick which one will the bear pick up for us. Baby. I don't know what's that. Come on. What is this? This is pretty cute. This, guys, we can just like open it and then like hang it in our bag. And then when we're gonna shop, we just open this and then close this again. And then we just unzip it. And then we could like put this back to our bag and grab this from it. Oh, this is so cute. It's a shopping bag. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Guys, now we're gonna open. Okay, let's go open this up. Can you stop moving? Okay. So now let's go open this right here. Whoop. Let's go see first what we're doing. Oops. And then after that, let me just open this up. I can't wait. So it says I got the Sunshine Bear. Yay! Okay. That's so cute. I should do that.
Look at her big belly.
It has glitter on it though. So, not because it's big, because it has glitter on it. Let's go open, I guess. Actually, guys, I actually brought like the previous Care Bear I have, my mom had. So now we could like do it matchings. I have like a lot of Care Bears though. It's so cute. Fun in the sunshine. It's literally last thing. Okay. Here's the last thing. It's not gonna be surprised, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's an umbrella. Look at that. Yup. Share the love. Yup, this is really cute, guys. Let's go open. Whoop. Oh, okay. Let's go see. Let's go see. Okay, guys, there's so cute. Look at that. Yup, it's cute. Yeah! See? Okay, this is really cute, guys. And it's raining. Sorry about my brother. Never subscribe to him.